Right, you have to just tell me, right? So are you ready?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, so the very first question to you is that why we set system variables.
Uh, Actually, because it cannot identify directly JDK from where it is installed. So to know its path, we set the system variable.
Okay, so if I do not set system variable, can I run my Java program?
If it's installed on C, then we can run the Java program.
Yeah, okay. So in Java we use arrays. So what is the need we got that I want to use array because I can store the data in the variable as well. So why we use array?
Because it contain large number of elements in it. Like in a single variable, we cannot use every time via single element. So in array, it stores a large number of elements which we define. So
No,
we need
if I want to store 100 number or you can say 100 roll number, so I can create 100 variable. Then why we are going to array? You getting my question?
can you repeat once again?
I am
Sorry, I
saying
missed.
if I want to store the roll number of 500 students, then
Mhm.
I can store them by creating separate variable, 500 variable. But I am storing them in the arrays as well. So why we are using arrays if we can store the data in the variable only?
Actually, that would be a large set of code, writing again and again and storing the value in
Yeah,
variable.
yeah. So variable will occupy actually more space, right? If you declare like this, and
Yeah.
your program will become heavy. Okay.
Yeah.
So in the next question is in what fashion array stores the data? In what
Uh,
fashion array stores the data?
uh, array stores the data like starting from zero element. Suppose we declare four size of array, it will declare in zero element to three element.
No, that is one thing. In what fashion? In the sense, memory wise, I am asking, right? Address wise, I am asking how it will store the elements in the address. There is one fashion the array will store the value, whatever the data you will define in the memory.
No, I'm not.
So I hope you remember that we have discussed that array stores the data in consecutive memory location. Are you able to recall it? Co-
Yeah.
Consecutive, one after the other, right? So this is
One.
okay. Anyways, so what is the use of loops? Why we use loops in Java?
Um, like we need to have some repeated set of code. So
Okay,
instead of going through all list of writing list of bulk of code, we to perform the repetitive task, we use a loop.
yeah, yeah, great, Sandeep. So the next question is, what is the difference between single equal to and double equal to?
Single equal to assign the value to the variable, and
Okay,
double equal to is an equal operator.
double equal
It
to is
it compares
yeah, yeah.
both values.
Okay, okay, great. Okay, so the next question is, if I want to find the remainder of, suppose I am dividing 7 and 2, right? So I will get the remainder as 1. So which operator you will use to find the remainder?
Modulus operator.
Yeah, and if I use the division operator, single slash, forward slash, then what is the output?
It would be in decimal.
Yeah, okay. So,
Suppose 4 divided by 2, it will give 2. 5 divided by 2, it will give 2.5.
okay. So, the next question is, what is the use of break statement?
To break this statement or make the code somewhere, like if we need to break at some point, come out of the loop for some condition, then we use that break statement.
Okay, and acha, okay, one more question is that what is the use of why we use switch case statement in Java?
Yeah. Sorry, can you repeat the question again?
Why we use switch case statement in Java?
Switch case. Um, to directly go to the particular uh, particular point, like I define a number of days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. When I need
Yeah,
to go to particular a day, then we use a switch. Otherwise, we can use the for loop and other also, but it would be fast to directly go to at that particular point.
I think you want to say else if not for loop. I think.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, you are correct that it will work fast little bit if you have more number of cases because it directly reaches to the particular point, right?
yeah, correct.
So good, Sandeep. So that's all in this session, and whatever how well your interviews goes, I will share that in the email,
Yeah,
right? Review.
yeah.
Anyways, you are
Thank.
good. Anyways, you are good, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, Sandeep. Thanks for joining.
thank you. Yeah.
Okay.